Welcome to our English vocabulary series. Today we're exploring words that start with the letter P, from public to Python, with examples and useful tips to help you understand them better.
Public for everyone, not private. The park is open to the public. When we talk about public, it usually refers to things that belong to everyone or are provided by the government, like public services or the public sector. For example, we can say, the government invests in public services like education and healthcare. She works in the public sector, not in a private company. Publicity, attention from media or people. The film got a lot of publicity. Publicity does not mean advertising. It refers to the attention something gets in the media, whether positive or negative. For instance, the scandal brought bad publicity to the company. The actor's new movie received a lot of publicity. So remember, advertising is paid promotion, while publicity is media attention, not always under your control. Publish, to print or put out a book, article, or content. She published her first novel. When we say publish in English, we usually mean releasing something official or formal, like a book, a report, or a newspaper article. It carries the idea of permanence and wide distribution. On the other hand, post is much more common in the digital world. We post photos, videos, or comments on social media or online forums. So, while both words mean to make something public, publish feels more formal and long-lasting, and post feels more casual and immediate. Puddle, a small pool of water on the ground. The child jumped in a puddle. The word puff can mean a small burst of air, smoke, or steam, like a puff of smoke. It's also used when someone exhales strongly. For example, he puffed after running. In cooking, puff pastry is a light and flaky dough. Informally, puff can describe something inflated or exaggerated, like a puff piece in journalism, which means a very flattering article. Puff, a short burst of air or smoke. He took a puff of his cigarette. Puff, to swell up. The pastry puffed up in the oven. The train puffed out smoke. Pulse, the beat of your heart felt on the body. The nurse checked his pulse. Pulse, edible seeds like lentils. Chickpeas are a type of pulse. Pulses, such as lentils, chickpeas, beans, and peas, are a healthy source of protein and fiber. Pumpkin, a large round orange vegetable. We carved a pumpkin for Halloween. Carve has two main common uses. 1. To shape wood or stone. The artist carved a statue out of marble. 2. To cut cooked meat into slices. He carved the turkey at Thanksgiving. We carved a pumpkin for Halloween. Punch, to hit with a closed hand. He punched the wall in anger. Punch, a sweet drink with fruit. Would you like some fruit punch? Punch up, a fist fight. The movie ended in a big punch-up. Puncture. A puncture is a small hole in a tire, or something inflatable, that causes it to lose air. He had a puncture on the way home. The bike's tire has a puncture. He punctured the balloon with a pin. Puppy, a baby dog. The puppy chased its tail. In English, we don't always use the same word for animal babies. A baby dog is called a puppy, while a baby cat is a kitten. For wild animals like lions, tigers, and bears, the word is usually cub. Wolves and seals often have pups, and foxes can have kits or cubs. So, just like in Spanish we say cachorro in general, in English there are different words depending on the animal. Pupil, a student. The pupil answered the question. Pupil, the black part in the center of the eye. Her pupils got bigger in the dark. Puppet, a small figure moved by strings or hand. The children laughed at the puppet show. The mayor is just a puppet of the city's powerful businessmen. Puree, soft food made by blending. She made carrot puree for the baby. Purple, a color between red and blue. She wore a purple scarf. Purr, the soft sound a cat makes when happy. The kitten purred on my lap. Purse, a small bag for money or personal items. She kept her wallet in her purse. In English, a purse usually means a small handbag for women, while a handbag can be bigger and more formal. A backpack is used to carry things on your back, often for school or travel. A tote bag is a large open bag with handles, perfect for shopping. A duffel bag is a soft, large bag often used for sports or short trips. Putty, a soft material used to fill holes. He fixed the window with putty. Puzzle, a game or problem to solve. A puzzle can be any brain game, but a jigsaw puzzle is the classic one with pieces that fit together. We spent the afternoon working on a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. Solving puzzles helps keep your brain active. Puzzle, to make someone feel confused. The question puzzled the students during the exam. Pajamas, clothes worn for sleeping. She changed into her pajamas before bed. Pyramid, a shape with a square base and triangular sides, or ancient Egyptian tomb. They visited the pyramids in Egypt. Python, a large snake that kills by squeezing. The python wrapped around the branch. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these words, and don't forget to check out our other videos to continue expanding your English vocabulary.